The National Foundation for Cancer Research has been a critical supporter of research coming out of Dr. Yongqi Cheng's lab since 1991. He has had great success developing small molecule drugs, including the first drugs for hepatitis B, for cytomegalovirus. But looking at more complicated diseases like cancer, he thought new approaches were needed. And he had the bold idea of taking modern science and using it as a tool to advance the ancient wisdom of traditional medicines, embracing the fact that botanical medicines, with their polychemical nature, may have the ability to treat the body more like a system, treat the whole person versus just the disease. And this type of sort of very fresh, very new idea really requires foundations such as NFCR to get behind, because there's so much sort of translating an idea from science into sort of breakthrough therapies requires this important investment into the potential and getting through these valleys of death. So it's been very important. Our approach is what we call we medicine, bridging together the knowledge and best practices of Western and Eastern medicine. So really applying rigorous science, well-designed trials, with developing high-quality products, so that you can have consistent results when you are doing studies and ultimately when it becomes an approved drug. And so our group has really been sort of pioneering this new field of drug discovery. When Dr. Cheng first started researching botanical medicines, he approached the FDA and they said, wow, this is really interesting, but we really have no pathway for this. So this was in 2000. In 2003, they announced the start of their botanical review team. In 2004, they came out with their first guidance. And it's through the steady sort of conversation between the FDA, our research group, other colleagues out there that we've been able to continue to advance and open up this field for botanical medicines. And it's recognizing that in the end, data speaks. There's plenty of people who may be sort of skeptics about, is this snake oil? Does this really work? But now actually you can use modern science, modern technology, and modern manufacturing to open up this black box of ancient wisdom and understand mechanisms of action and develop cGMP drugs. And we believe this is a big opportunity. The pathway of developing a drug goes through many different challenges and processes. And so from early research, which NFCR has supported the Cheng Lab since 1991, to leading into our clinical trials, it's been a key partner and supporter, both in terms of finance and as well as network, to help take an idea to a therapeutic product. And now we've had almost 200 patients use our cancer drug 906 in liver, pancreatic, and colorectal cancer. And consequently, we're seeing patients live longer with a better quality of life and recover faster. And it's funding through NFCR that has enabled an idea to actually seeing real patient outcomes. And this mission of NFCR to not just help with early stage, but now helping out with the mid stage to later stage, we believe that will really help catalyze the future development of these ideas, especially the more breakthrough out-of-the-box ideas such as ours, which need sometimes a more visionary investor or to be able to help support. And so we're very grateful for NFCR. Without their support, we wouldn't be here today. And we hope that 906 becomes a template for future success stories through the NFCR program, and we can help continue making it evergreen.